Good morning from the Rooster Inn Observatory. This morning I'm recording a short tutorial to show you how I stream live on the web. I'm going to show you both Facebook and YouTube. Let me start with Facebook. It's a lot easier. You open your Facebook page and what's on your mind? Live video. Click on it and ask if you want to go live by yourself. Create this broadcast if you want to do that before going live, or just go live. Clicking on go live is going to allow us to choose between a live webcam or a screen share, and the screen share is the one I want to go with, and you can choose the window. In this case, these are the windows that are open on my machine. If I select the SharpCap window, if I happen to be capturing via SharpCap, and this is what will go out. And that's all it takes to stream live on Facebook. Let me stop Facebook and stop sharing and close it. And that's all there is to Facebook. YouTube, slightly more complicated. You open, let me switch accounts. We go to, all right. Let me open YouTube the old-fashioned way via the browser. YouTube, Rooster Inn Observatory. And up in the right, it says create, go live. It will take you to the studio. And this is where you can create the title for your webcast. The important part here is going to be the stream, and YouTube will create a stream for you to copy, and then you need to feed that stream into some kind of a signal generator. Really, I use OBS Studio, and under OBS it is a free piece of software. I programmed the window capture to be SharpCap. Under settings, stream, and you give it the key. That's the key that you copy from here and you paste there, and that's all you need. And then as soon as you start streaming from the OBS Studio, it will go live in the YouTube connection. And there it is. That's all you need here. And stream, end it, and dismiss. From there, if you want to do editing or tinkering, OBS allows you to certainly add lots of things here, including text. If you want to add text onto the screen, let's say OK, test text, or you can add more windows, or you can add more displays. But that's it for this short video that shows how to stream live on the web. So long.